4 tricks to fix iPhone lagging. Number 1. Go to your settings, scroll down and tap on accessibility, then tap on motion and make sure that the reduce motion is turned on. Number 2. And this is so basic, if you have bunch of apps refreshing in the background, it's gonna make your iPhone laggy, so make sure to follow my steps. Go to your settings, then tap on general. Now tap on background app refresh, so make sure to turn it off. Number 3. Do not forget to update all of your apps in the App Store. Go to your App Store, then tap on your profile. When you scroll down, you can see apps that needs to be updated. Number 4. This is very important. Make sure to go to settings and then tap on general, tap on storage. In the storage, make sure to delete the apps that you don't need. After doing all these steps, your iPhone won't lag. Make sure to like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.